MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now let's get inspired by this blonde wig that I feel may be the perfect ashy platinum wig in my collection. Yeah! So this wig is from a company that I've never tried before. JUMWIGS, I believe is how you pronounce it. It actually came in this really pretty blue box, and also, which is really awesome, it came with a brush, a tangle-free brush, and then also one of my most favorite additions now is a wig band. So you can, of course, secure this wig band by sewing it into the inside of the cap for it to fit perfectly on your head. Love it. All right. So let's just get talking about this gorgeous platinum blonde ashy dream. She's almost of like the lightest silver. I mean, it's not silver, but it's just like so blonde silver good that I just can't handle it. So one thing I absolutely love about some wigs is it has this really great body, as you can see, where it's just almost like soft and romantic, like these soft swooping waves. I just really love that. So she's a long one. She's 24 inches, and then also she is heat resistant as well, 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. She is very soft, and just putting through my hands through, there's no tangling, which is really amazing. She just flows right through. So really exciting. Let's talk about the wig construction. She does have light lace, as you can see right here. It does say light medium, but this I really feel is a light lace. She has a 2.5 inch parting right here, and then she has 3 combs, 2 combs right here in the side, and then 1 comb right here in the middle. She does have a medium cap, so if you need a large head friendly wig, she would fit those requirements. Besides the brush and the wig band, she did come with 2 wig caps, so you are ready to go as soon as she arrives. But I will be using one of my wig caps that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for that. I like these wig caps a lot. I put my wigs on front to back. Right here. So all wigs are in their best case scenario when they are glued down. Definitely a combination of using the gel and the spray are best. So I'll leave the links down below for these if you do not have them. These are the holy grail of securing your wig. All right, so let's cut off this lace. Actually, first let's look at this lace. Speaking of gluing down, so you can see with the hairline just how perfectly she can be if you glue her down. Really great. Of course, per usual with customizing your wigs, definitely lighten up the front and of course the parting as you wish. So let's just take off this lace and see what we have. All right, here she is. Look at her. And her 24 inches, which is at my belly button, which is always accurate, so that is correct. Look at her and her gorgeous sweeping bottoms. So great. So let's move her around. As you know, I love to shift my wig with the partings by just shifting the wig cap around. So let's move her to my usual eyebrow, which is my left eyebrow. See what kind of look she gives. Yes, of course. Here's that. Now let's shift her to the other side and see how she looks. Oh, I do kind of like her on this side. Definitely I feel like she's just laying a little bit better, but of course, by all means, you know, from these wigs, you know, just apply a little bit of heat if you really want to flatten out a certain side. I do feel like I do like it on this side. What do you guys think? Yeah. Okay, so let me just move it back in the middle where she's at her probably happiest state right here. And again, this wig is from JUMWIGS. It does come with 2 wig caps, a wig brush, and then also a wig strap. So how exciting right there. So nice little bonus inside the package. So let me know if any of you have any wigs from this company. I would love to know and see you in these wigs. And of course, reach out to me on Instagram. That's a great way for you to share pictures of you wearing your wigs, your makeup looks, and telling me how fabulous you are. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this ashy platinum blonde wig, wear it, love it, own it. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.